What's up, guys? Today we're gonna just jam out a little header repair here for a buddy of mine. He wants to, I think it's his late dad's car, so he wants to get this done for the little car show deal he's doing. The header's pretty rusty. We're gonna see what we can do. Just throw a patch on it. He said he's gonna wrap the exhaust anyways, so we'll see. That's what we got. It's pretty, we'll see what we can do. It's just in kind of a cruddy spot being this close to the pipe here, but I think we'll be able to get something on there. Alright guys, so this is the piece I got. Maybe not necessarily the perfect professional way of doing this, but with what I got, just put some relief cuts in there. I mean, it's gonna fit right over. I'll hammer it as I go, as I tack it, but it'll work fine. I mean, for what this is, pretty much on its last leg, but he just wants something budget friendly that's quick and easy, and I just traded him a set of seat bolts for the hot rod, so just trying to get it done for him real quick. Yeah, it's gonna fit on there just like that, and we'll get to welding this deal. Thought I went far enough away from the shitty zone, but apparently not. Looks like we're gonna have to break out the TIG. up, guys? So I just got this wrapped up real quick. A lot of times, fab repair, it's polishing a turd, you know? I mean, what do? You do with what you got. I'm not a sheet metal worker by trade, I'm a pipe welder, so I do what I can as far as little sheet metal things go. I mean, shit's pretty self-explanatory to do, but yeah, I just put a little patch on this. I'll let you guys check it out. I mean, for what we're doing here, it's gonna work all right. You know, the metal's so thin, as you guys could see. I wanted to just butter it up with a MIG just to make it quick and budget. And like I said, I just traded them some seat belts for this deal, so I didn't want to take a whole ton of time on it. I still, obviously, main concern is giving him a quality deal there. It actually like tied in all the way around. I was kind of shocked at that, but yeah, there's a hole right there. It must just be getting moisture right there. I don't know. It's really weird. But yeah, it went on all right. I mean, it looks okay. It's relatively shaped as a pipe, so I'm happy with it. I think he'll be happy with it. He'll be happy it's done. I know he's probably itching to get it back together and running. So yeah, that's a little patch deal. All right, I will catch you guys on the next one. Like and subscribe.